Hey guys, we are in the 2019 Miata. Pretty excited about this RF with the new power and some of the changes, as you can see here. Telescoping wheel. Pretty good amount of adjustability depending on your driving preference. Let's see what it's like. I cannot wait to feel the power in this. Lightweight, flickable steering. Those high RPMs, you can feel it come on cam, and it feels quick. I do feel a little something after that second pull. It's a little bit torquier. Throttle response seems a little bit more aggressive. There it is. I definitely feel it now. It feels almost like a supercharged NA. It's fast. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more power from this new Miata. That's impressive. I'm glad, because with that first pull, I didn't really feel a whole lot of a difference. Sounds good at redline. It's very happy up there. Still handles bumps like a champ. There's a big difference here. All throughout, there's more power. It sounds so much better at those high RPMs too. It feels just like a higher performance machine. It almost reminds me a little bit of the GT350 in the sense that it just keeps revving and revving and revving. You have such a big power band to work with. Yeah, this is awesome. Super responsive throttle. Let's do a little 0 to 60 test here. Comes up in no time. little sweetheart. And now it's just faster. Throw some seriously grippy tires on this, suspension to match, you would have a heck of a track weapon. I'm still a little bit torn between the RF and the rack top, however, but I think the fact that you get just a little bit more security and less wind noise. Today it's super windy, as you can see the trees are blowing like crazy, so you're going to hear some wind noise, but the RF is just a little bit more refined. Power level feels just awesome right now. It definitely shoves you into the back of your seat. And I'm always so surprised at the ride quality in this RF. I mean, the new Miata is, yeah, it's got some body roll to it, but it allows you to feel what's going on with the chassis, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. I think visually it's a little bit more, it's a little bit weirder to see than it is to feel. When you're actually behind the wheel, it's pretty nice to drive. Front end in this car is so sharp. It darts in, the steering is nice and light. Still definitely one of the best 6-speed manual gearboxes out there. Just such an amazingly fluid and overall well-refined package. The biggest difference for me is just that higher red line. You can really wring this car out, and it's just so satisfying. Get up to the top revs and it almost sounds like half a flat plane crank V8. It's pretty cool. Well, good job, Mazda. Made some good decisions on refining this car and just bringing a little bit more character out of it. I'd say the changes definitely make this a much more enjoyable street car, and these things are going to be insanely capable on the track. They're really going to be good. They're going to be so quick in a straight line compared to the older Miatas, and just, you know, you throw some corners at this and you'll be in pretty good shape for a track day. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. We'll see you in another one later. Take care.